What's going on, guys? I'm back with another YouTube video, and today we're going to be doing a video over the Mustang. So here we have the girl up in the air. She's all taken apart. We had to drop the K-member in order to get the oil pan off. We're getting ready to do that. So the reason we're doing all this is to inspect a knocking noise coming from the back of the motor, or it's either in the bell housing area, which I already took the transmission off, looked at all that stuff. Everything looks fine. Replaced a couple things, put it back together. So it still made the same noise. I'll go ahead and put that noise in here now. Now that you guys have heard the noise, you understand why I'm doing all this. So we got the K-member right here. These things are super heavy, so if you ever take it out, you should probably put a tubular K-member in. It'll save a lot of weight. I'm not doing that as of right now. I don't know how long this K-member will be out of the car. We'll figure out here in a few minutes. But let's go ahead and get this oil out of here. First thing I noticed is that this thing looks bent and there's a bunch of marks on it, so something's been hitting there. Maybe not. Let's see if we got anything in the oil pan here. Any metal. Yeah, it looks like we got some metal. This isn't metal, but this is plastic, so this might be from timing chain guides or something like that. That's not great. Alrighty guys, so I got the oil pan off. I don't really notice anything out of the ordinary. It actually looks pretty good under here. I think these all move side to side, which they're supposed to. I don't find any up and down movement anywhere, and everything appears to be looking good. Now the only thing I found in the oil pan was orange plastic, which I think is from the timing area, so